Yo, what's going on, y'all? It's Mo. Welcome back. January 5th, Monday, 2026, first trading day of the year. Let's go. Let's fucking go, y'all. Yeah, sorry I've been gone for a couple weeks, man. I've been gone for a couple weeks. Hold on, let me pull up this live on my phone. I ended up taking a break from trading the last couple weeks in December because price action was ass. And yeah, hold on. Why is the there we go. The live popped up. I gotta make sure. Okay, cool. We good. Everything's good. Yeah, welcome back, y'all. Your market just opened up like 2 minutes ago, so we're gonna back to it, man. We are back fucking to it. Yeah, I ended up not trading the first couple weeks in 2026. Or I'm sorry, first couple week or first. Basically, I didn't trade December. I traded first week of December. Y'all saw first like week and a half. And then after that, I was like, bro, I was seeing what everyone was saying about December price action, just how my December trading was going. I was like, man, I just need a little break. I'm just gonna wait until 2026. Wait until the new year to really start trading again. So yeah, here we are. Right now, let's do some top-down analysis just because market opened up. Let's get our premises of the where the market is at. Like I said, yeah, I haven't traded in a few weeks, so yeah, man, back to it. 2026. This is the fucking year, y'all. Listen, this is the fucking year. It's bro, my 22nd year. I turned 22 in a couple or like a month, and my 5th year in trading. This is the fucking year, y'all. This is profitability year. There's no excuses, no ifs and buts about it, no doubting. Like, I'm fully confident every single day, trading, journaling, even before trading, getting up early, getting my mind right, preparing myself for the session, so I'm setting myself up for success when I'm on here. And then yeah, when I'm on here, we're locked in, dialed in. And yeah, man. So I'm excited. I wrote down my goals this year. I got a lot of plans for this year outside of trading, in trading. And yeah, we're just gonna stay focused, take it day by day. As long as we're have good habits and we're improving, that's really all that matters, man. And but it's like just being consistent, being fucking consistent. But anyway, y'all. So like I said, let's do top down analysis real quick before I really start ranting and shit. So on the daily, you can see, or let's go on the weekly. We've been chopping and stuff on the weekly last couple weeks. On the daily, you see we're definitely just creating a range on both sides. So I'm not fully sure where the market wants to go. Let me go on ES on here. Oh shit. Okay, yeah, let me go on ES on here. So, yeah, ES, I guess we're in the similar spot. We're a little higher up, though. We'll go on the 4-hour. Let's go 15-minute on here. Hold on. Actually, let's go on the 4-hour on here as well. I wasn't going to stream today. I was actually going to just record and then upload. But then I was like, fuck it, bro. I want to stream. Because streaming, like, it's the same thing. I might as well stream and then post clips from the stream, or make it into a video. Okay, so we do actually have a bearish SMT right now, y'all. We do have a bearish SMT. On ES, we took this buy side. On NQ, we didn't. So, bearish SMT. We're also in a 15-minute fair value gap here as well. Yeah, so really just what I want to see. Oh, yeah, we also do have news today. It's not a no news Monday. So it's NFP week this week. We have news at 10 a.m. We have no news tomorrow. Jolts on Wednesday. And then Friday we have NFP. So, yeah. Well, honestly, might trade all 5 days this week, even on Friday. Usually I don't trade NFP Fridays, but if this week has a good price action, we'll see where we're at by the end of the week. But, yeah. So, obviously got my model pulled up. Got my find the draw on liquidity, prices in a 4-hour, 1-hour, 15-minute for value gap, and we actually do. So let's find the draw, my draw on liquidity first, where I think the market could go. Obviously, we have some resting sell side here. Let's go on the 1-hour. Oh shit, let's go on the 1-hour. Yeah, so after having this big sell down, we ended up rebalancing in here, and like I said, since we have that bearish SMT inside that higher time frame fair value gap with good resting sell side, I feel like these could be targets right here for liquidity. So yeah, honestly, right now I want to see a 5-minute bearish for value gap get formed. Yeah, I don't want to see this closed in. I want to see this stay like that, because since we're in a higher time frame gap, I want to see a 5-minute FEG forms correlated to the higher time frame. So since we're in a bearish higher time frame for value gap, I want to see a 5-minute bearish for value gap form, and then price to enter that, and then we inverse a 1 to 2-minute FEG. So like I said, just gonna be patient though. Yeah, man, this year, like, just reflecting on my trading real quick for the last 4 years. Obviously, first couple years inconsistent, or first really like year and a half was trading retail. Then got introduced to ICT in 2022. Was learning him on and off, inconsistent. Took me like a year to finish, or like 6 months to finish the 2022 mentorship, because again, I was doing it on and off. And then 2023, I start back testing and really start being in the demo account, not trading live, but being in like the demo, like live, watching it live, entering trades on their executions, taking screenshots, like I said, yeah, back testing, forward testing, shit like that. And then 2024, I start getting in funded accounts. I went into my my Forex funded at first. Yo, Hitman, what is up, my boy? Real one. Happy New Year, brother. Happy New Year. How you feeling, G? How's your New Year? Late Merry Christmas, too. You had a good Christmas? W Mans. I know it's been a minute, bro. It's been a fucking minute. I haven't been on here in a while, but I didn't trade the rest of December. The last like 3 weeks of December, I did not trade. I was not trying to deal with that price action, and I wasn't really, yeah, I just wasn't feeling the price action, and I felt like I just needed to wait until the new year to start trading. Welcome back, G. Appreciate you for joining, though, bro. But, and then, yeah, 2024 was in funded accounts. Then went to Top Step a little bit, and yeah, I've been trading in Top Step since April of last year, so almost a year. Took a couple months breaks last year though, in 2025. Probably traded like 8 to 9 months out of the year, and then yeah, this year every single day, gonna be doing this shit. Consistency is key. That's gonna get me to where I want to be. That just fucking rhymed accidentally. Oh my gosh. And yeah, I've been good, bro. I've been great, honestly. My December was amazing. My Christmas was amazing. My New Year's was fucking amazing. And yeah, made my goals for this year. Did first couple of days of 2026. Honestly, all 5 days so far have been amazing. Got a new phone. Oh, motherfuckers cut their hair. Motherfuckers cut their hair, bro. Literally, I had long ass hair, had braids, everything. Cut my hair. Oh, I shaved my shit. I had to go to the buzz. Cut. But yeah, okay. So 5-minute FEG did form right here. I honestly, I want to see price come up here and fill this. No bullshit. Gotta be very patient though. I would love to see price come up here and fill this. But yeah, this year, oh my gosh, y'all, listen. I'm going to Miami at the end of this month. Listen to this generational run the first 6 months of 2026 is going to be on, right? Think about this generational run. I'm going to Miami. Actually, hold on. No. First, one of my best friends from Minnesota is moving down here January 14th. In 9 days. He's moving down here to AZ. And then I'm going to Miami January 29th to February 3rd. When I come back, my other childhood best friend is moving down here from AZ. So I got two of my best friends from back home moving where I'm living, literally 15, 20 minutes from me. When I come back, right? February 3rd. 3 days later is both of their birthday because they're twin siblings. Both of their birthdays are 3 days later, February 6th. Then my birthday is a week later, February 14th on Valentine's Day, bitch. And then my cousin might come out here to visit me. And then 3 weeks later, motherfuckers taking a road trip to Colorado. First time ever going to Colorado. I've never been. Colorado's been on my bucket list for literally my whole life, bro. Like, I can't wait. I'm so hyped for Colorado. So hyped for the road trip. I'm driving too, 12 hours from Phoenix to Denver, damn near. Literally. So excited for the hike. So excited for the weed. So excited for the fucking just even the road trip. So excited for the food. So excited for everything out there. And then a month later, my mom's coming down here and visiting me. What's up, Feel FXCO? What's up, G? How you feeling, my guy? Happy New Year. Welcome in. Appreciate you for joining. And then I'm just explaining this generational run that 2026, the first 6 months is gonna be for me. Is there anything I can do for you for which you'd give me $20? Honestly, bro, just, you know, you could just stay for the free ski. You could just stay for the free ski. You feel me? No reason no reason Okay, so hold on. Price is about to be, price is in this 5-minute gap. Okay, so since price is in this 5-minute gap and we're in a higher time frame, we are in these 15-minute gaps though as well. But with the bearish SMT in this higher time frame gap, so since we're in that 5-minute, I want to see a bullish for value gap form, and then we inverse that. So let's just be patient. But and then what? My mom's coming and visiting me in April, and then in June I'm taking a road trip again to Cali to visit my cousin, and we gonna go to San Diego. We gonna go to motherfucking San Diego. I've never been to San Diego, bro. Oh my god, 2026 is off to an amazing start, bro. 2026 is 2016 part 2. Fuck you talk about. I'm so hyped, bro. This year, profitability year 2. I'm getting my first profits. That is guarantee. I'm not stopping. I'm never stopping at this shit. No matter how many days I'm down in the dumps, I feel like quitting. All this shit, I'm not stopping. And this the year, man. This the year of me being consistent every single day, improving in all aspects of my life, outside of trading, in trading, and y'all gonna see, man. Y'all gonna see. I'm being consistent with this channel as well, for real. I want to upload at least every trading day, or stream every trading day, and then upload videos from that. Upload clips. Obviously, want to do more IRL shit. Want to do more, got to do some hiking content. I just got to get new equipment, though, for the hiking content, and that's low-key expensive, so that might take a minute, but yeah, gonna stay consistent with this. I mean, do you need any trade editing service or something? I am okay, brother. I appreciate you, though. I appreciate you for asking, but I'm okay, G. You know, motherfuckers grinding this out myself with this this editing shit. Honestly, my video is really easy to edit anyway. I don't do nothing crazy. I literally just do cuts. Cuts. But I'm gonna start. When you start the hype, bro, I ain't gonna lie. With how my pockets is looking, cause I need like around $700. Fuck. All right, we're just gonna move on. We're not doing that cringe ass shit. Around like $700, to get everything I need. And, I mean, that's not insane amount of money. It's doable. But motherfuckers don't just have $700 laying around, bro. I don't know. I'm not fucking... I don't know. I'm not fucking Cristiano Ronaldo, bro. I'm not Speed. I'm not rich. Yet. I'm not rich yet. I'm getting there. But, Yeah, I mean, shit. Hey, Hitman, you wanna, Venmo me $700? Like, I mean, no, I'm just kidding, bro. All right. Yeah, still just waiting right now. Still really just waiting. We have our overall, like, the bigger picture. We understand what the market is doing or where the market is at. Like I said, we have the bearish S&T. ES, we took this. NQ, we didn't. Inside this higher time frame gap. Now we're in a 5-minute bearish. Really just looking for a 1-minute bullish fair value gap to form. And yeah, honestly on the 30-second though, it's a decent little thing. But yeah, I'm broke myself. LMA, I know, bro. It's hard out here. It'd be real life hard out here. Kind of want to see if we get an inverse of this. If we get an inverse in this 30-second, I might be in. Maybe. We don't have a 1-minute bullish though? No. Okay. What about a 2-minute? No. Alright. Yeah, we came back down. Respecting it. Yeah, we do have 10 a.m. news, so it's still early, man. Just gonna wait. But yeah, the visions I got for this year, not even just like all that shit I just explained, like planned. Just really with my trading, bro. Like, this is my 5th year trading. I've always said, in literally my first journal I still have in my living room, like from when I was 17 when I first got into trading. For some reason, like, I just knew like my 22nd year when I turned 22, I'm going to, hold on. Oh, fuck. Go on the 30-second. Yo! Okay, we low-key inversed.
Order filled.
Wait, I entered a sell. Okay, yeah. Wait, I didn't set my daily limit. That's fine. So, the reason why I entered, 5-minute, we inverse the 30-second. Let's see if we go up right here and respect this 30-second bearish as well. 1 minute, we didn't have a bearish for value gap, but 30-second we did. So, and we inversed. And of course I enter at the very, what is that? Like the very last of it, or very end of it, but yeah. So we're in. We're just gonna aim for a 1-to-1 if we get down there. Three-minute, 5-minute. Two-minute, 1 minute. Of course, my fill is shit. You know, fill is pretty dog shit, but it's okay. Let's see what happens, man. Let's see what fucking happens. Really, right when this closed, I should have entered right here, 574. Dude, 12 points makes a lot of difference, bro. 12 points really does make a big difference, you know? Oh, that's not even a full 1-to-1. No fucking way. Damn, my stop is that high. Bro. So I'm damn near risking fucking more than I'm like, dude. That's so ass. Well, this is pretty dog shit because my risk is more than my. I just gotta hope for it to get down here so I can move my stop a little bit. Let's see. Let's just see. Okay, what's about to hit stop?
Order filled.
Okay, minus 550. Back to it. Back to loot. No, I'm just kidding. So the thing is, on this account, obviously, you see I got a new account. I've totally forgot to set my maximum trades. Per day is 4 because we have 2 trades. We can take partials on one of them. So bang. Wait. What the fuck? Maximum. Wait. Why didn't it save? No, 4. Did it say? Okay, there you go. Cool. Okay. So let's be patient. Logic is still there with this bearish SMT inside this 5-minute gap, inside that higher time frame. I guess let's wait for a 1 to 2 minute inverse, not a 30-second. Let's wait for a 1 to 2 minute inverse and not a 30-second. Let's see if we get a bullish fair value gap formed here. I don't want to see this closed in. If we can if we can not have this filled in. 3 seconds. Okay, good. Perfect. Now, okay, that's the inverse I want to see. If we inverse that, I'm in again. Hold on, my audio. Oh yeah, I had also motherfuckers got a new phone yesterday, too. iPhone 17. Ooh, this bitch clean. I'm getting my case in today, but yeah, iPhone 17. Come on now. Come on now. Upgrading this year. It is crazy, and that's why. Okay, so I think that with my trading, like, with me doing it every day, like, especially, like, so this is my first day back in, what, 3 weeks? And you can tell, like, look how I'm so antsy to be in a trade. Look how I enter that trade so quick. And I think, like, that's something I struggle with in my trading. And I think that's the main thing. I feel like there's obviously a lot of things in my trading that's fucking me up and kind of holding me back and, like, you know, making me not be profitable, not even profitable, making me never pass a funded account and a combine. Because what the fuck am I saying, bro? Why am I speaking like a fucking dumbass? What I'm trying to say is that the main thing in my trading that is holding me back is my impatience and my ability that I have, the habit I have, rushing in trades. Yeah, you can see, like, y'all saw how impulsive I am. It's so weird. I go from this to 2 seconds later I'm in a trade, and that's something I notice when I watch back my trading. That I'm like, oh my god, like, honestly, watching my trading back, I'm like, bro, what am I doing? But then, like, when I'm obviously here live, I just think totally different. Like, it's so weird, bro. And every trader deals with this. Okay, like I said, I want to see an inverse of this gap. We close below this gap, I'm in. If we close below this gap, I'm in. We're waiting for the close to now. Like this is the setup I should be waiting for, because now this is a 1 to 2 minute inverse. If we inverse this, we're gonna close. Oh my god, we closed right in, bro. We closed right in there. I can't. No. I can't enter yet. We literally closed right in, bro. We closed right fucking in there. You serious? 30-second gap. We also closed right in there. Let's not expand too far down yet. Let's see how we close here. As long as we again close below. Let's see. See if we were chase up into these gaps here too. As well. Okay, chased up. Okay, yeah, you see how we still. Oh, no. Okay,
Filled.
I'm in. Okay, this is so much better. This is so much fucking better. Oh my gosh, this is so much better. This is so much fucking better. Y'all, I'm now, even if I lose on this trade, this is the trade. Now, this is the trade I'm willing to. Hold on, should I put my stop a little bit higher so I don't get stop on it? Or like, I guess I'll get stop on it either way if it wants to go up, but you know what I mean. Yeah, this is the trade I'm comfortable losing, because I'm like, okay, my logic is there. Bearish SMT in a high time frame gap, in a 5-minute gap, 1 minute inverse. Yeah, this is good. This is fine. I'm staying in this. We do have news at 10 a.m. Let's hope we don't get fucked. And also, I'm going to show y'all some after this session too, about my, after this trade. I'm going to show you guys some about my old account I had a couple weeks ago, because I thought it was very interesting. And yeah, I'll just show you. I'll show you in a little bit after this trade. We're right now in a 1 minute bearish for value gap as well. Good rejection so far. Y'all, we have news in 15 seconds. Is it gonna wick us out? Bro, it could wick us out, bro. If it wicks us out, fuck it. It is what it is, man. I'm scared. Yo, I'm scared. It wicked us out, didn't it? Yep. No, wait. Okay. Alright. Rap game like the dope game. After today too, I need to set my account limit loss to like 600 too. I like forgot to do that shit. Let's see how we close. Can we close in there? I'm gonna delete these. Okay, we did close in here. I like that. I want to see a good like rejection here. Nice. See if we can get a decent close on this candle. We're definitely, I can tell, like, we're just pretty choppy. We're going back and forth. Oh, fuck. Damn, we closed above the other way. Well, when I said let's see if we can get a good close, that's definitely not what I was talking about. That's the other direction. But it's okay. Yeah, we might just be wanting to go higher today. I mean, shit, bro. We're still in that 5 minute. We are still respecting the fuck out of the 5 minute, though. Look at that. Look at the bodies. Holy shit. Yeah, we are so fucking back and forth. I guess that's another thing. Like, I gotta recognize market conditions. That's another thing I gotta work on, too, is recognizing market conditions. Honestly, I need to write that down. Recognizing. So I put this market I don't need those. So I put these market edges. What is my stop at? 634. Okay, we're gonna watch it up here. But so yesterday I did these market edges, and basically, like, these are my edges in the market. If we're in a higher time frame for value gap, if we have a liquidity sweep plus SMT, if we have a displacement above a lower high, or we have a displacement inversing a gap. Oh, we're about to get stopped. We're about to get stopped out. Is this minus a band on a day, first day in 2026? Hey, minor setback for a major comeback, bitch. No, but and then equal highs and lows. So when we have equal highs and lows in the market, that's like a clear, like, kind of drawn liquidity. It could be. And then knowing current order flow basically is the market in a bullish order flow where it's respecting bullish PD arrays, or is it bearish where it's respecting bearish PD arrays? And then now recognizing market conditions, recognizing like this, zooming out and be like, okay, we're in chop right now. We're kind of back and forth. Let me wait for market to clear up to look for a trade. If the market doesn't clear up, then, you know, I'm not in a trade. But yeah, honestly, this trade I took right here, those are the trades I should be waiting for. I don't really care if I lose on this trade, because that was my setup. My first trade, that's the impulsive decision. Okay, and we're done for the day. That's the impulsive decision that I am keep making, like, the same mistake, bro. I keep making the same mistake where it's like I just enter so quickly, so fucking quickly. And I'm not talking about this trade. I mean, that was my setup. It is what it is. But this is like, I'm using the same logic, but I'm using my logic to, like, justify my entry. I'm using my model I have to justify bad entries. And obviously right now I'm not justifying it. I'm saying, like, but I'm saying in the moment when I'm like, okay, I'm going to enter this. Like, that's me, like, trying to, I don't know. Bro, man, I fight so many battles in trading, bro. Like, it's fucking crazy. This shit is crazy. Like, 5 years. I can't even say it's been 5 years, because I've been trading in prop firms for, I guess, not even a full year. But still, like, 8 months, 9 months of this, bro. Like, 9 months of this. Like, but I guess that's not that long, bro. Traders fucking been trading in prop firms for, like, a couple years before they really get this shit down. So I get it, but, like, it's just like, damn. But yeah, that's the problem I have with myself, with my trading, is the impulsiveness. How I go from like, being like, okay, like, I'm going to be patient, I'm going to be relaxed, I'm here, to I'm in a trade 2 seconds later. That's something I definitely got to work on. Like, now, like, fucking now, because it's bad. As you can see, minus 1,000 on the day due to that. I would have been like minus 500 on the day. It would have been like, okay, like, one trade loss for the day, whatever it is, what it is. But yeah, we had that 30-second gap up there. Bang. But yeah, we're hold on. So let me show y'all what I was gonna show you though, and then I'm gonna get off this bitch. This. Okay. So my last account, right? This account. Oh wait, no way. Oh wait. Oh no, it's because of. Hold on. Was it the 31st? What? Wait, why isn't it showing? Bro. Why isn't it showing this? What? Hold on, y'all. Hold on. I'm gonna try to show y'all in my Top Step. Right here. Oh, it doesn't okay. Okay, yeah. Okay. This is what I want to show. Wait, but average. Oh, but that was my start date. Yeah, that was. Wait, what? I didn't even have this account in July. Damn, I don't think I can show y'all, bro. That's so. Why though? What the fuck? Yeah, I can't. Bro, that's stupid. Okay. Anyway, what I was going to say was in the previous account I had, my win rate was actually really good. It was the best I've ever had in a trading account. I think it was like 60% or 65% win rate, something like that. And with that, and that's obviously some trades being like break even, and then technically I'm negative because of like the spread. So really my win rate was like a 70%. But my account limit was below. Bro, I had a positive win rate, 70% win rate, but my balance, look at my balance, this is where I ended off at before it closed. I was negative with a 70% win rate. Negative with a 70% win rate. Bro, that means my risk reward was shit. And honestly, if we're looking at the first trade I'm taking, I'm risking more to lose than I am to win. So that's also my problem. Like, okay, I had a good win rate. Like, my model is when I'm taking it, it's winnable. I'm mostly winning, but it's the amount. Like, I don't know. When I lose, clearly I'm losing way more than I'm winning. I think part of it is also when I lose, so when I win, I'm like, okay, I'm done for the day. I'm taking one trade. I took one trade. I won. I'm done. When I lose, it's like I stay on, take another trade, lose again. Literally just like today. I'm explaining my fucking trading problems while doing my trading problems. Somebody help me, bro. I need a fucking therapist. I need a trading therapist. I need something, brother. I need something, because what in the fuck? I explain my trading problems while doing my trading problems. Oh, shit. Well, first trading day of 2026. But it's okay, because there's a reason why we're going to be on this bitch every day being consistent. All that matters is if we're consistent. Journal. When I get off this bitch, I'm going to journal. And I'm going to edit into a video. I'm going to journal, then edit this into a shorter video, and go from there. But being consistent every day, journaling, getting on here, and yeah, that's gonna get me to where I want to be. Me being inconsistent and me like doing this here and there, trading one day, trading 1 week, and then not trading the next. That's not, there's a reason why I've been up and down this last almost a year in prop firms, because I've been that inconsistent. I haven't been journaling every day. I've taken breaks. Yeah. So I'm just gonna stay process oriented. I've lost so many times in trading, bro. I don't give a fuck about losing anymore. I really don't. You see, minus 1,000 on the day. It is what it is, man. This is not my first $1,000 loss on the day. Definitely not, especially to start the week. But yeah, we have the rest of the week to trade. Hopefully it'll be better price action. Not even just better price action. I need to stop saying that, because it's not the price action, bro. It's me. If we're in bad price action, then I shouldn't be doing anything. So it's not the price action. It's me. I need to stop saying hopefully. Not hopefully it's going to be. No. I will be better. I am going to be better. And I am going to improve. And I am going to be consistent with this shit. And it's being confident in that and confident in myself, knowing that I'm putting the work in and nothing's going to stop me to where I want to get to. All these losing days, all these hardships that every unprofitable trader goes through to become profitable. Obviously, I'm going through it. I've been going through it. And like I said, I'm never going to stop until I get this shit down. And y'all going to see. We're going to all be looking back on these videos, laughing, cringing, like, what the fuck was I doing? Wow, I was such, like, I see my habits back then to where my habits are going to be. But my future self is relying on my present self right now to lock in and do the work and just show up every day and be consistent, man. So that's it, though, y'all. I'm off this bitch. I am feeling great, though. I am feeling great, even though bad P&L days, bad habit day when it comes to being on the charts. I did have great habits before. That's another thing, is just outside of trading, making sure that I'm doing what I need to be doing. Waking up 45 minutes to an hour before the session, meditating before, getting my mind right and shit, getting on here, trading right, trading the best I can, and then after journaling, doing the work, reviewing, studying, seeing what I'm doing wrong, seeing what I'm doing right, and yeah, just going from there. So, all right, y'all. Honestly, great stream, though. This was a really good stream. First 2026 stream, first 2026 video. Yeah, this year's going to be big. This year's going to be great, man. This year's, like I said, I already got that shit lined up outside of my life, outside of my trading. But in trading, it's going to be a big year. Where I'm at now to where I'm going to be at the end of the year, reflecting. I know I'm going to be improved. I know I'm going to be profitable at that time. And, yeah. So, alright, y'all. I've already said I'm getting off this bitch like 10 times, but I keep rambling. Oh my gosh, I can't believe I'm bald, bro. It looks so weird seeing this on camera. Motherfuckers is really bald, bro. I look like a little Buddhist baby. I look...